So yeah, it just gets me upset, guys. And then he's got all his cronies in there, putting all the numbers that he wants, and I made gains, and this, y'all are getting lucky. So whenever it does work for him and he starts clapping and hooping and hollering and yeah guys, and we did it, yeah, now I know why. I've never really watched him, to the truth. I've never really watched him. I would just kind of hear him in the background as I'm doing things or whatever, because he was the next one that would come up, but I'd never really watched him. And then just recently I started watching him. He do like, oh man, his trend lines are horrible. He always sees.
Oh guys, right here we have a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder.
Man, I think he barely learned that word. I really do. You know, when you first heard the word awesome or amazing or fantastic, and that's, you use that for, you were looking for a reason to use that word. Oh, the sun is fantastic today for the flowers. The flowers look so fantastic grouped together. The house, that's a fantastic door. Like you're trying to use that word all the time. This guy always uses head and shoulders. Did he just learn the word? I don't know. I would think he did. Every single pattern is head and shoulders. Dude is a freaking joke. And it gets me so upset because like all his stuff is so, it's horrible. It's awful. But he's winning because the more times you trade, the more likely you're going to win. And then if he doesn't win, he makes an excuse. Just watch him. Like if you understand how to trade, you can pick it up in less than, shoot man, 2 minutes. What he does is he double talks. So if it goes right, he's correct. But if it goes wrong, he's also correct. You know, and just, man, so he gets in a trade and it's going great. And it's like, see guys, I told you this and that, blah, blah, you know, this breaks out 68% of the time, this and this, this and this. And then it starts going the opposite way. And then now he's looking for a reason. Let me look at the 1 minute time frame. Let me look at the 7 minute time frame. Let me look at the 70-second time frame. Or how about the 30-second time frame? Or the 14-second. Oh, on the 14-second, there was bearish divergence. Oh, I shouldn't have done it, guys. I shouldn't have done it. 14-second, there was bearish divergence. Granted, he doesn't say 14 seconds, but you get my point. Like he's looking for a reason for, even though he was wrong, he's still right. It gets me very upset. And it comes into play with the whole psychology. Trading is very emotional. And it comes to the whole psychology. When it comes to trading, if you, let me tell y'all something, guys. Everybody, this is psychology. Everybody, for the most part, they want to feel a part of something. They want to feel needed. They want to feel appreciated. They want to feel in a group. They want the camaraderie. They don't want to be the lone wolf. Me, I'll be the lone wolf all day. I don't care. I'm built different. I don't care. Now, granted, can I have a group? Yeah, definitely. I love people, this and that, blah, blah, but I don't need people. The majority of people need people. I don't. I could care less. I could be happy all by myself, or I could be happy when I go out. I can go to places that I know nobody. By the time I leave, I have at least 3 to 5 people say, man, Joe, I love you, dude. You're the best, dude. The majority of people need to feel in a group. What he does, he's very good at what he does. He may not even know it. He may not even know this is what he's doing, but as somebody who knows what I know, he is very good at what he does. Because what he does is, hey guys, you know, who else made money? Who else? So what he's doing is showing that people are taking his trades. It's showing that, you know, they are winning. It's luck though. Literally, you could flip a coin and have better odds. Oh man, I get so upset. I get so upset because like he's got a big following, and kudos to him for being successful. I'm not jealous, nothing like that. I'm very proud of him. I won't say proud. I'm very happy for him that he has reached that level. I'm very, very happy for him. Very happy that he has, you know, a brand new house and vehicles and everything like that. Very happy for him. The thing that I really, really dislike is how he trades, how he shows people to trade, and how he literally bamboozles people in his group, in my opinion. Of course, this is all my opinion. Now, here's the thing though, because it's politics, it really is. In the crypto space, is very political, very political. People don't say anything bad about him because he's charismatic, he's, you know, good aura, you know, just dude looks like a good dude. Okay. Can't talk bad about him though, because you can't hurt his feelings, because everybody picks on him. He says that all, oh, they pick on me, so I ban them. Man, get out of here. I had somebody make a diss video about me. That shows you how strong I am. I play it. It's a joke. You think words hurt me? No. You think videos hurt me? No. I'm strong here and here. Oh, he said something to me in chat. I'm gonna ban him and remove him from all of the things, and I just want positive people around me. Get out of here, dude. And of course, Sam, I'm not saying for you to get out of here. I'm saying for him. Oh, please, I just need positive people. Shoot, you bring positive people, you know. Now, granted, are there going to be some weeds in there? Yeah, definitely. But they're not going to want to hang out with you if you're, you know, always positive. Yeah, but I know a lot of people here. I know a lot of people here who know him. And I guarantee it. If you were to say, shoot, man, not even 1% of what I'm saying to him, he would ban you. He would ban you from it. There was one time, 4 years ago, I made a comment on one of his YouTube videos trying to help him, that it might offend somebody else, but trying to help him so that he can get more viewers and everything else. Because at this time he was little. He was around the same size as me as far as YouTube goes. And this was on my other channel, not this channel, on my other channel. And he got so offended by my comment that I was trying to help him, because he took it the wrong way. He banned me from YouTube. He banned me from making comments. He removed me from his groups. He blocked me from Telegram. All from a comment because I was trying to help him. Wow. That's who, hopefully not y'all's leader, but that's who people are looking up to. Somebody who can't take somebody saying something. It hurts my feelings. I'm getting picked on. Oh, man. But it's funny though, because just recently, you know, because I see, like with me, you can burn me, I'll still talk to you. With my buddy John, who made my ringtone. Where's my ringtone at? He made a ringtone. Well, he made an actual video dissing me hard. I still talk to him. He doesn't talk back to me though. I still send him messages. Hey John, hope everything's good. Hope you're doing good. Saw some of your trades. You put it on Twitter. Keep up the good work. Why? That's just who I am. Same thing with my ex-boss. When, you know, he promised me the moon, the stars, and everything else, I told him, I said, hey, dude, I'll never work for you again. And he begged me, dude. He literally begged me. He was here for 3 hours. And I think he asked me, I don't know, 3-5 times, Joe, come back to work with me, man. Like, I'll pay me good too. Nah, not for what you did. I said, I'd rather live under a bridge. But I told him, I said, I tell you what though, still hang out, still be friends, whatever, but I will never work for you again. Comment, really? You're that sensitive? You're that sensitive, dude? For a comment that I was trying to help you? Well, you know, I've been commenting on his things too and everything else. And then just recently, maybe like 6 months ago, I guess, you know, he'd messaged me back, you know, on Twitter, whatever. And, you know, we'd be talking there, this and that. But I guarantee it, if he were to know anything of this stuff right here, excommunicated. Do I care? No, I don't. Because I would tell him, but he would already block me though. But I would tell him, with me, and I can't tell him, because as soon as I tell him, he's going to block me from everything. But I know that, you know, if we were to, because I'm sure I'm going to meet him one day, and he's going to have his little sad face and tell all his friends, hey, don't talk to him. Don't talk to that guy. He hurt my feelings. He made me cry. And of course, because it's political, I'm going to be shunned. I will tell him. I said, dude, your trading's trash. I'm telling you right now to your face. Don't cry. If you do, I got some tissue for you. I got some Snickers bar, and I have some Midol. Don't worry about it, man. I got you. I got you. Here's the thing, man. Your trading is trash. Like, granted, are you successful in trading? Yes. How do you do it? I have no freaking clue. Because literally, you have better odds flipping a coin. The way you trade, horrible. Absolutely horrible. Any trader would know this. But he's rich and successful. But then he also has a group. Let that sink in. That group is what pays him. Oh, it crosses the 200, it's going to go up to here, blah, blah. And it crosses and it does good. He sells it, and then it comes down and crosses it again. Well, you see, guys, it crossed the 200, and now it's looking bearish. What just happened? It was looking bullish. Like, literally, what happened in the past 5 minutes? Price action happened. And the same thing that just happened right now could have been the exact same thing that happened as soon as he entered. It could have come down. He got lucky. But he gets lucky a lot. Maybe it's skill. Maybe it's skill that I don't have. I don't think I want that skill either. Once you learn how to trade, or your trading skills get sharpened, you can identify people like the person I mentioned earlier. You truly can. You can see how much rubbish this dude talks by a lot. It's disgusting. It's like knowing the truth and hearing a liar just lie to people and lie to people, and these people are believing them and lying and lying and lying and lying. It's that type of feeling. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. Like, it's super important. Now, if you're in the VIP, I have videos that are 3, 4, 5 minutes long on average. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would offer the free group, but it's already full. I have a huge wait list. So more than likely, if I do let 3 or 4 people go, the spots are filled. Not only that, but when people do sign up for the VIP because they're making money in the free group, I am very, very invested to make you money in this free group so you can get the VIP. When those people leave the free group and get into the VIP, well, there's just so many more people that are trying to take their spot. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.